Do you want to save energy costs and achieve a green life? We have a solution. Air source heat pump. This sustainable and highly energy efficient heating and cooling system. Compared with the direct heating method of gas boilers or electric heaters, it uses electricity to transfer heat from the air. Meanwhile, compared with traditional heating systems, air source heat pumps can save up to 75% of energy. Their carbon emissions are nearly zero, and there is no direct pollution. It is a long-term investment in a comfortable, energy-saving, and a cleaner future.